This is another how-to video brought to you by myboiler.com. In this video, we show you how to change a faulty radiator TRV valve without draining down using an IMI TRV removal tool. Please note, this will only work with compatible TRVs containing a 19mm insert. We will provide a list on our website to TRVs compatible with this tool. Prepare the area you're working in to protect against water spillage and damage. After having removed the TRV head, you will need to loosen the TRV insert using an adjustable spanner or a 19mm socket. Placing the lock ring first on the TRV body, then screw the TRV adapter onto the valve body. Then place the tool body onto the installed adapter section, tightening the lock ring until firmly in place. Make sure the drain tap is closed. Push the plunger down until it is engaged with the insert. By turning the handle and shaft anti-clockwise and holding a little pressure, you will hear the click of the insert threads making contact with the body. At this point, the insert is free from the body. Also, if there is enough pressure in the system, the plunger shaft will be gently forced upwards. You can test this by pushing down a little to see it push back up again. Make sure your isolation valve is fully open. If your tool is new, you may get a little resistance until the brass is shaved off after a few times moving past the isolating valve section. Isolate the valve by rotating clockwise. Open the drain-off valve and using the container catch some of the water. Use a gentle pumping action to remove water from the body. You can now remove the shaft from the tool by unscrewing the top section. Then you remove the old TRV insert from the shaft end. Get your new TRV insert ready by extracting it from an identical replacement TRV using an adjustable spanner or 19mm socket as earlier. Alternatively, obtain spare inserts from your merchants or from the manufacturer. You can now proceed in reverse order to the earlier process to place the new adapter onto the TRV body. Sometimes you may need to double check that the new insert is going into the body correctly. There is usually minimal chance of cross-threading as the shaft is engineered to be very precise in terms of the angle. Do not over-tighten the shaft as you may break the handle. You can also use a pumping action again to clear the chamber to remove residual water from the tool body before removing it. Once the tool is removed, clean any excess water and put back into the case for the next job. The tool used in the video was from IMI Hydronic Engineering at an approximate cost of £100. See below for links to any resources in connection to this video. Use a spanner afterwards to further tighten the insert after removing the tool. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch.